there was no attack. Second, the Senate, including the Senate security, has full access doon sa CCTV. So they will know kung meron na po bang mga are they preparing for an assault? Do they have breaching equipment? May mga ladder po ba? May mga explosive or anything? They can also ask bakit may mga babaeng kasama, and relax ang atmosphere on the side of you can see it. Pero to confirm kung yung mga fears and innuendos dapat, you can always ask kasi yung line of communication naman po was fairly established. They have a contact sa GSIS Security kay General Balba. They have a line of communication sa director ng NBI.